Hello students, in this video we are going to solve semester 1 paper of subject science class 6 ncert. So here let me start the solution for this paper. The total marks of this paper was 80 marks. So here let me start with the question number 1. So question number 1A was choose the correct option. In that first one is which of the following is a plant product? The options are honey, ghee, mustard or milk. So here your answer is option C, mustard. Mustard is a plant product. Rest of the options are the animal products. Next, second number, which nutrient is obtained from oily foods? The options are carbohydrate, protein, fat or vitamin. So here your answer is option C, fat. Fat is obtained from oily foods. Next, third number, which of the following is considered as a complete food? The options are grains, pulses, fruits or milk. So here your answer is option D, milk. Milk is considered as the complete food. Next, fourth number, which mineral is necessary for healthy bones? The options are iron, calcium, iodine or sodium. So here your answer is option B, calcium. Calcium is necessary for healthy bones. Next, fifth number, nylon is a blank fiber. The options are natural, animal, synthetic or none of these. So here your answer is option C, synthetic. Nylon is a synthetic fiber. Next, sixth number, blank is not a natural fiber. The options are silk, jute, wool or acrylic. So here your answer is option D, that is acrylic. Acrylic is not the natural fiber, it is the synthetic or man-made fiber, and rest of the options, that is silk, jute and wool, are the examples of natural fibers. Next, seventh number, which of the following is not an object but is called a matter? The options are chair, pin, bar magnet or steel. So here your answer is option D, that is steel. Steel is a matter. The rest of the examples, that is bar magnet, pin and chair, are the objects. Next, eighth number, which of the following is shiny in appearance? The options are plastic, paper, copper or leather. So here your answer is option C, copper. Copper is shiny in appearance. Next, ninth number, which of the following methods is used to separate stones from grains? The options are hand picking, threshing, evaporation and decantation. So here your answer is option A, that is hand picking. By this method we can pick the stones from the grains by our hands. So hand picking is your answer. Next, 10th number, what is used to separate bran from the wheat flour? The options are winnowing fan, sieve, strainer or all of these. So here your answer is option B, that is sieve. Sieve is used to separate brans, or you can say outer coverings of the wheat or grains from the wheat flour. Next, 11th number, which device is used for winnowing? The options are winnowing fan, sieve, filter paper or all of these. So here your answer is option A, that is winnowing fan is used for the winnowing. Next, 12th number, which process is used to separate salt from the salt solution? So the options are filtration, decantation, evaporation and condensation. So here your answer is option C, that is evaporation is used to separate salt from the salt solution. By evaporation method we are heating the solution, so the water gets converted into steam and at the end we get the salt from the salt solution. So your answer is evaporation. Next, 13th number, which of the following is a reversible change? The options are melting of wax, burning of coal, frying of chips or puri, breaking of glass. So here your answer is option A, melting of wax is the reversible change, as after this change we can again get back the original substance. Next is 14th number. Which of the following is an irreversible change? The options are filling air in a balloon, melting of ice, burning of paper, or making of a toy aeroplane by folding paper. So here your answer is option C. Burning of paper is an irreversible change. After this we get ash, and from that ash we cannot get back again paper. So it is the irreversible change. Next 15th number. Which of the following changes is not irreversible? The options are grinding wheat and making flour, rolling of dough into chapati, baking the rolled chapati, and breaking the cooked chapati into pieces. So here your answer is option B, rolling of dough into chapati. This is not the irreversible change, that means this one is the reversible change. Next is, which type of change is a curdling of milk? The options are reversible, irreversible, reversible as well as irreversible change, or reversible under certain conditions. So here your answer is option B, that is irreversible change. Curdling of milk is irreversible change. After this change we get curd, and from curd again we cannot convert it into the milk. So it is the irreversible change. Next 17th number. Which of the following plant is not a herb? The options are wheat, tomato, maize, or asopalo. So here your answer is option D, asopalo. It is not the herb. Next is, which of the following plants is a tree? The options are guava, henna, mango, or China rose. So here your answer is option C, that is mango. Mango is a tree. Mango plant is a kind of tree. Next 19th number. Which type of plant is money plant? The options are herb, shrub, climber, or tree. So here your answer is option C, that is climber. Money plant is a climber who needs supports to maintain the balance. Next is 20th number. By the help of what is ribcage joined? The options are backbone, skull, pelvic bone, or hip bone. So here your answer is option A, that is backbone. With the help of backbone, ribcage is joined. So here our first question A1A, that is choose the correct options, gets over. Here the answers for this questions, or you can say MCQs, are given to you. You can check your answers from here. Now next question is question number 1B. Fill in the blanks. In that first one is, tiger is a blank because it eats only meat. So here your answer is carnivore. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Or you can say an animal who eats other animals only. So it is the example of carnivore animals. Next is, deficiency of blank causes a disease known as beriberi. So beriberi is caused because of deficiency of vitamin B. So here your answer is vitamin B. Deficiency of vitamin B causes a disease known as beriberi. Next is third number. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of blank in our food. So here your answer is vitamin A. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our food. Next fourth number. Animal fibers are blank and blank. Here you have to write the examples of animal fibers. So you can write silk and wool are the examples of animal fibers. Next is fifth number. The door of a house is made of blank. So it is made up of wood. So here your answer is wood. Next sixth number. Substances or materials through which we cannot see things are called blank materials. So these kind of materials are known as the opaque materials. So here your answer is opaque. The substance or materials through which we cannot see other things are known as the opaque materials. Seventh number. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk is called blank. So it is known as the threshing. Method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk by beating the stalks on a hard object is known as the threshing. Here your answer is threshing. Next 8 number, when cold water is poured over a hot iron rim, it blank contracts or expands. So here your answer is contracts. When we are pouring cold water on the hot rim, so when it gets cold, it contracts. Next 9th number, blank gas is given out by the plant in the process of photosynthesis. So here your answer is oxygen. Oxygen gas is given out by the plants in the process of photosynthesis, and it is taking carbon dioxide in this process. Next 10th number, a combination of bones and cartilage forms blank of the body. So it forms skeleton of the body. So here your answer is skeleton. The combination of bones and cartilage forms the skeleton of the body. So here your question number 1b, fill in the blanks, gets over. Here the answers for these blanks are given to you. Now next question is question number 2a. This question is write true or false. Here if the sentence is correct, then you have to write true, and if the sentence is incorrect, then you have to write false. So let me start with the first number. The first one is cabbage that we eat is the leaf of cabbage plant. So here your answer is true. We are eating the leaf of the cabbage plant as the cabbage. So it is the leaf of the plant. Next, second number, by eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. So here your answer is false. By eating rice alone, we cannot fulfill the nutritional requirements of our body. We have to eat a healthy diet which includes all the nutritional requirements, or which fulfill all the nutritional requirements. Next is third number, idli and dhokla are fermented food. So here your answer is true. These are the fermented food. Next, fourth number, silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. So here your answer is false. We are obtaining, this one is from the animal, or it is the animal fiber. We are obtaining this from the silkworms, not from the stem of the plant. Next is fifth number, oil mixes with water. So here your answer is false. Oil cannot mix with water. It will float on the water. Next, sixth number, a mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. So here your answer again is false. We cannot separate mixture of milk and water by the filtration, because these can be mixed with each other and these both are the liquid. So we cannot separate this by the method of filtration. Next is separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. Again your answer is false. We cannot separate sugar and tea from its mixture by the method of filtration, because these both are in the solid form. In filtration we had seen that one material should be in the solid state and another should be in the liquid state. Next is the knitting of a woolen sweater is a reversible change. So your answer is true. From the sweater we can again get back the wool fiber. Next, ninth number, radish and carrot are the food storing roots. So again your answer is true. These both are the roots which we are eating of their plants. So these are the food storing roots. Next, 10th number, stigma is a part of the pistil. So again your answer is true. It is the part of the pistil. So here your for question number 2a, that is true, right, true or false, gets over. This is the answer for the true or false. You can check your answers from here. Now next is question number 2b. This one is the match the following. In that first in that is milk, curd, paneer and ghee. So with that your answer is option C, are all animal products. These all are the animal products. Next is spinach, carrot and cauliflower. So your answer is option D. These are the vegetables. Next, third number, lions and tigers. So here your answer is option A, eat other animals. These are the carnivores which eats the other animals. Next is herbivores. So here your answer is option B, eat plants and plant products. Those animals are known as the herbivores. Last one is wheat, millet and corn. So these are the examples of the cereals. So here your answer is cereals. So this one is the answer of your matching. Now next matching, let me see. In that first one is upper jaw. So here your answer is option B. It is an immovable joint which we cannot move. So here your answer is option B. Next is fish. So here your answer is option A. Fish have fins on their bodies. Next is ribs. So here your answer is option D. The function of ribs is protect the heart. So it protect the heart. Next, fourth number is snail. So as we already know, snail shows very slow movement. So here your answer is option E. And last one is cockroach. So here your answer is option C. Cockroaches can fly in the air. So your answer is option C. So this one is the answer for your matching. So this one is the answer for your first matching. You can write the matchings like this. In the first, with the first column, you can write directly the answers. No need to write the question. And this one is the answer for the second matching. Now, third question, question number 3A. In your paper, it was write the difference or differentiate between the following. In this difference, total 3 differences were given to you. You have to write any 2, and the total marks was 4. Each difference carries 2 marks. So let me see the first difference. It is between herbivores and carnivores. So in herbivores eat only plants and plant products, whereas carnivores eat only animals and animal products. The another difference between these two are the examples of this kind of animals. So in herbivores, cow, camel, rabbit, giraffe, etc. are the examples of herbivores. In carnivores, lion, tiger, eagle, vulture, etc. are the examples of carnivores. The next difference was between transparent materials and opaque materials. So in the first difference, the transparent materials, so the materials through which we can see clearly are called transparent materials. And the materials through which we cannot see are called opaque materials. And the another difference was the examples of these two different kinds of materials. So in transparent materials, glass and water are the examples of transparent materials, and iron and wood are the examples of opaque materials. The next difference is between taproot and fibrous root. So in taproot, the first one is it has the main root and many branches arising from it, and in the fibrous root, it does not have any main root but has many thin small roots. In taproots, it grows very deep in the soil, and whereas fibrous root does not grow very deep in the soil. And last one, the examples of this kind of plants having this kind of roots. So in taproots, dicot plants have the taproots and monocot plants have the fibrous roots. So this one is our question number 3A. Differentiate between the following. Now next is question number 3B, that is classification. Classify the following. Here also 2 classifications were given to you, and each classification carries 2 marks. So let me see the first classification. It is between fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. You have to classify the following given fibers only. into natural and synthetic fibers. In that first one is nylon. So nylon is the synthetic fiber. The next one is wool. So wool is the natural fiber as we are getting it from the sheep and different animals. Next one is cotton. So again cotton is the natural fiber. We are getting this from the plants, cotton plants. So it is the natural fiber. And last one is polyester. So it is the synthetic fiber which is made in the laboratory by doing certain processes on the chemicals. So this one is the classification. Next classification is between reversible change and irreversible change. So in first one is souring of milk. So it is the irreversible change. After once a milk gets spoiled, we cannot again make the milk, or we cannot get the milk again properly. So it is the irreversible change. Next is blowing up balloon. So it is the reversible change. After blowing the balloon, we can blow out again the balloon. Next is ripening of a mango. So it is the irreversible change. And last one is the compressing a spring. It is the reversible change. Here the answers for the first classification is given to you, that is classification between natural fibers and synthetic fibers. You have to write the classifications like this. And here next the second classification is given to you, that is between reversible change and irreversible change. So till now we had solved the up to question number 3b. In the next video we will solve the remaining questions of this paper. Thank you.